Hello. I'm really glad you're here. This is your time to step away from everything for a while. Nothing to do, nowhere to go, nothing to figure out. Just a quiet moment for you. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in through your nose and a long, gentle breath out. Again, breathing in and breathing out. Let your body begin to settle. Let your shoulders soften. Let your breath become easy. Bring your awareness to where your body feels supported. The chair, the bed, the ground beneath you. Feel that support. You don't have to hold yourself up right now. Take another slow breath in and let the exhale be a little longer. Allow your jaw to soften, your forehead to smooth. Your body beginning to unwind. Now gently begin to imagine you're standing at the edge of a quiet beach. It's peaceful here, not crowded. Just open space and soft light. Notice the sky above you. Wide, calm, stretching endlessly. The air feels fresh, clean, easy to breathe. Take a slow breath in, as if you're breathing in the ocean air, and exhale. Now begin to walk slowly along the shoreline. Feel the sand beneath your feet. Soft, warm, slightly shifting as you step. There's no rush. You're just walking, step by step. Notice the rhythm of your body as you move. The gentle sway, the natural pace. You hear the sounds of the waves. Rolling in and gently pulling back out. In and out. Let your breath follow that rhythm. Breathing in and slowly breathing out. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Gently bring it back to the sounds of the waves. Back to the feeling of walking. Back to this moment. As you walk, notice the sunlight touching your skin. Warm but gentle. Comforting. The breeze moves lightly around you. Not cold. Just enough to feel refreshing. You feel safe here. Unhurried. Undisturbed. Now notice the details around you. The texture of the sand. The sparkle of the water. Maybe seashells scattered along the shore. You don't need to analyze anything. Just observe. Just be here. As you continue walking, something begins to shift. Your body starts to feel lighter. Your breath becomes deeper without effort. Your shoulders drop a little more. Your mind becomes quieter. There's nothing to solve here. Nothing waiting for you. just this moment. Now imagine the waves gently washing over your feet. Cool, soothing. As the water pulls back, imagine it taking away any tension that you've been carrying. Any stress, any heaviness. Just gently carry it away. Wave by wave. Take a slow breath in and a long breath out. Feel the release. Now find a place along the beach where you'd like to pause. You sit or lie down in the sand, fully supported. The ground beneath you steady, safe. The sounds of the ocean continuing in the background. The rhythm of nature. Calm, predictable, soothing. Let your body rest here. Nothing to hold. Nothing to carry. Just supported. Notice your breath. Slow. Natural. Easy. Your nervous system settling. Not forced, just allowed. This space, this calm, this steadiness. This is always available within you. This is what your nervous system feels like when it's safe. When it's not being pulled in every direction. When it can simply be. take a slow breath in and a long breath out. Let that calm settle in your body, into your chest, your belly, your shoulders, your whole system. Now slowly begin to bring awareness back to your body. Back to where you are. Back to the surface beneath you. You don't have to leave the beach completely. You can carry this feeling with you. Notice your fingers. Your toes. Gently wiggle them if you'd like. Take one more slow breath in and a long breath out. And when you feel ready, gently open your eyes. You just gave your nervous system a moment to reset. A moment to slow down. A moment to remember what calm feels like. And you can return here anytime. Even with just a breath. Even for a moment. This space, this feeling lives within you.